Hey, it's Sam here. I want to do a quick video. We've got a launch coming up on Friday. It's the 5th of June EST time, and we're doing some cool stuff at Communi. We just launched a new website. This is what we've been working on for a long time, and we've launched this out to over 3,000 of our customers. We've got categories down here now. You can run chats, obviously private chat, courses, events, members, and all of that. And it's going really well. People have so far received it pretty well, and we're going to be going live with a new sales letter. Probably the feature that I wanted to show you is that's been the most exciting, I think, that people have responded to the most, has been this one right here, Communi AI. So we decided that we didn't really want to do a chatbot. We didn't want to do something internally in our system because we saw a lot of other people doing that, and then you have to worry about credits, all of that. But what we did, which will be quite unique for this launch, is we connected it up in such a way that you can just use any app to talk with our software now. So some of you may have seen this. I hadn't before, and I hadn't really used it before we did this, and I'll show you how it works. So if I go into, I'm using Claude, you could use ChatGPT or anything else, but basically I could say, hey, are you connected to Communi? And then from there, it'll give me a response. It'll tell me if it's connected up, which will say, yes, I'm connected up. And then I can say, for example, can you help me to build a quick course? Let's make it super easy for lessons on how to grow with communities, with Communi, for example. And then what it's going to do is it's basically going to go ahead. It's going to come back with a plan, just like you'd use AI. You could chat with this. You could use. I know members of ours have already started doing this, where they've just started copying courses from their other software and putting them into Communi using this. They just take a screenshot or copy and paste everything, and then they have a course suddenly in Communi from another place. Others have been using this just like I'm doing here. Basically, you create a plan. I'm just going to show you it as an example today, but we've got this plan, and I'm just going to say, like, build this out as a lesson. It's going to build it out as a lesson. And then from there, I can just publish directly into Communi. And we've got other things you can do with this. So you could publish posts. You could schedule, for example, posts that are coming out over the next 30 days, next year. You can create challenges. So you could start selling a program in 30 days and you could sell it from now, and then you could just be pre-selling, and then it launches on that. After that 30 days, it notifies everyone that it's live. Everyone can then access it who's pre-purchased it, and you can then continue to sell it, things like that. So it's done. I'm not going to look at it. Can you create a new course inside of Communi AI group? Use this as our first lesson, place it inside of our module. Go. And now it's going to just interact with our software, which is pretty cool. And then from there, I'll show you, it'll create a course. And yeah, so we also have, you can schedule events through Communi, and gamification, all of that is inside of Communi, and we're going to be launching it on Friday at a one-time cost. And I don't think anyone else has done this. Our competitors that I'm reasonably familiar with, I don't think they have anything like this. Maybe they have a chatbot that you can interact with inside of their software that has credits. I've seen a lot of software doing this, but I haven't seen too many people I haven't seen anyone do this in this way. So I encourage you to check it out. I'll have a link down below. You'll be able to see this. And if you want to join the Communi AI group, follow along with what we're doing with AI, I've started up a community for it. We've got already some members that are using this, and they're doing well with it. Many of them are already making money through selling access to these groups that they're creating. So I'll just show you this now. If we go back over to Chrome, we refresh. So this is my community here. I'm just going to do a refresh, make sure that it's going to show this. And then we go into my courses. So if we go into courses here, obviously you can interact through the dashboard. So I could create a new course here if I wanted to, but the fact is I wanted to show you this through AI. And then it said grow with communities. This is the course we've just created. It's published by me. It's even added the amount of minutes it's going to take for people to take it. I go into enter course, and there we go. Now we're just resolving this at the moment. We're going to make it, the formatting is nice. There's a couple of things we need to do to resolve that, but I think by tonight it'll be fully resolved, and then people can go and sit this. If I wanted to, I could upload a video here. I've been building out another course that I've been doing with AI, just showing you how to use Communi AI. I've just been using YouTube videos for this and adding them in, but you could basically use videos from any other sort of video platform as well. But yeah, so it's pretty cool. We've got everything in here, and we've already got a number of members that are interacting. If you're interested in joining, send me a message down below, and I'll send you out a link to join. You can then join this group, check out the software, see if you like it. And if you want to get access, we'll have a really special deal available from Friday. So if you're a creator, you're someone wanting to build communities, or you're coming from another software, which many of our customers do, then you can start using this. So cool. All right. Talk soon.